Easy game.
Module 6.011.
Elita, what's happening?
Something bad.
Oh, you no look so good, little Prime.
Neither does this program. Anyone else feeling a little heaved at the jeeb?
Oh, how fortunate. All the bots I need offline in one place. Even Starscream has taken a break from hiding in his empty little city.
Insolence! I control a whole region, Megatron!
Starscream, I have a game to win.
Conversions deactivated. Hit the button. Commence program in frequency 1.
All too easy. So long, Prime.
Treat.
What?
Thanks, Megs! Oh, frag.
Mirage.
Don't call me Megs. He's not going to let anyone else near that button.
Ha! Now you're at my mercy, Prime!
Wait, Starscream! Listen to me. Megatron is behind all of this. You're trapped just the same as us. Our fight is with him, not each other.
Ha! What is happening here is far beyond the short-sighted machinations of someone like Megatron. You do raise a good point. The enemy of my enemy.
Ah, yes. The age-old clash once more. Should have gone for the button.
You have been bested, Megatron. Emperor Starscream, your greatest nemesis has won!
Prime is my nemesis, Starscream. You are a mere nuisance.
How dare you!
Elita, wait!
Trick.
No!
Smile, you spawn of a...
Skybite eliminated.
Hey! Stay there! If Megatron takes the center again, none of us will make it!
I'm good! Help Grimlock!
All right, get to the button. Win requires sacrifice. Let me go!
Grimlock eliminated.
Bumblebee!
Trick.
What? Let them get eliminated! They are literally the worst! Optimus! Optimus?
Starscream eliminated. Winners: Optimus Prime, Elita 1, Bumblebee, Megatron.
Hesitation is weakness, Prime. And weakness cannot be afforded.
Program complete.
It's rougher going out than going in. OP?
Everything okay?
Transformers still all one. Fight it out for the Energon. Figure out whose side you're on in CYBERWORLD till all are one.
Spawn point up ahead! Keep moving!
It's adorable how you guys think you can keep up.
Hello, Prime. I'd heard of your arrival. It's horrible to see you.
Not another step, Megatron.
Ah, Bumblebee. Such resilience for so small a bot. And Grimlock. I'd say aligning with my nemesis constitutes a violation of our truce.
Well, I must have missed my invite to the reunion. You know, I'd hate to interrupt. I'm sure there's plenty other places to find Energon. I'll just,
Mirage. I had a number of questions to ask you.
Soon get Energon any moment. Ready, get ready.
Enough, Megatron. We've no time for your petty games.
Program activated. Module 06.
On the contrary, Prime. Games are exactly why we're here.
If we're climbing, we'll need size and athleticism.
Do exactly as I say.
First to the top. Commence program in 3.
well, look at us, huh? Who'd have thought? Not me.
I gave you simple instructions. Eliminate Optimus Prime. You couldn't even do that.
We're just gonna go right into it, huh? Listen.
I have no time for your pathetic excuses. You will not fail this task. Move! Leave him. You can catch up. Up there! I give you boost!
You can't seriously trust him. A truce with Megatron?
Right now, he's our best bet. We have no choice.
I've got my eye on you, Dinobot.
This way. What?
Run!
Hey, so not that way.
We're wasting time. Move!
Great timing. And thank you.
Hurry up, you dim sparks!
On it, you big bovine. Give me a break! That can't be good.
Elita, Grimlock needs help.
Catapult?
Catapult.
Most fun I have not fighting!
Where is he? Did he go on ahead?
Actually, Grimlock took a little tumble, I'm afraid.
No!
Unlike you to be so impulsive, Prime. Perhaps this world is doing you some good.
Is this your doing, Megatron? Did you bring us all here?
Oh, no time for questions, Prime. You have to go find your friend!
No! Chops and I are at the top! Just need you now, Megs!
Call me Megs again,
Summit
and
reached.
you won't see
Winners,
another rotation.
Megatron, Mirage, Chop Shop.
Look at you, weak, treacherous scrap. Oh, so pathetic and powerless. The next time you see me, none of you shall be spared.
Program complete.
Well, that was hard to watch.
Truce is definitely over. Megatron will be back to destroy us. We must fight the desert beast. It's tough battle, but if we win, we leave world entirely.
The tech specs showed Scorponok has weak spots. If we try to find those, it should give us an advantage. But we have lost a lot of Energon. What do you think, B? We'll be counting on you.
What are you doing here, Megatron? Also, where is here? Where's Optimus? Wait, You did it, didn't you? You won! You and your Decepticreeps!
I am no Decepticon, and you are no Autobot. We're all just survivors here.
I seem to have caught you at a bad time. If you'll excuse me, I need to see an old friend.
You have to understand, this planet is hostile, unforgiving. One wrong step and you're just rust in the wind.
Okay, Gloomatron. Rust in the wind.
I can see why Prime liked you. We will do well together, you and I. You have a courageous spark. But that spark will only get you so far. For us to survive here, Bumblebee, we will need to be ruthless winners. We need...
Yes. Random jungle. I see.
Energon.
Program activated. Module 17.09.84. Target blaster. Please enter challengers.
Energon gives strength to those worthy of it. And here, little bot, only the strong survive.
Hit the targets. Commence program in 3, 2,
Wait, what do we have to
1.
do?
Are your audio receptors faulty? Hit the targets, win the Energon.
50 targets remaining.
Charge!
Hey! Where's my weapon? We don't all have horn helms, you know. Just my color. Wait for me! Hey, Megabull! I think we have to use the blasters! Target blaster! Get it?
10 targets remaining.
It's like taking Energon from a minicon.
Yeah, we, make a good team, huh? And he's gone. Oh, hello.
10 targets remaining. 5 targets remaining. 4, 3, 1 target
Alright, B.
remaining.
Time to make it count. Oh, yeah! Who's the bot? B's the bot. I said, who's the bot? B's the bot. It's B, he's the bot.
Processing final scores. Team Megatron. Targets destroyed, 49.
What? I thought we were a team!
Targets hit, 0.
What?
Look at that!
Team Bumblebee. Targets hit, 1. Winner, Bumblebee.
It said target blaster, not target axe and sometimes face. Whoa! What's happening? Huh? Oh! Oh! Woo, that feels good! Huh? I tried to tell you.
Program complete.
And I told you. Only the strong survive.
Cheap shot. Back for more, huh? I tell ya.
Bumblebee,
Optimus? Is that you?
I have you, my friend.
Whew, that's good news.
This is unpleasant.
I don't know. I kind of like the wings.
I often wondered what a Starscream rule would look like. This is way worse. Okay. I don't like you, and you don't like me.
I never said that.
I did.
I'm undecided. You need intel to get out of here, and I need a way off this stinking dirt heap. Smells like a team up, right?
And here comes the pinch. Is everything a performance with you?
Look, here's the deal. You know where you're going, sure, but I got the skills to get you in there. Nighty-night. Just need to info dump the jargon until I can collect the right keys.
This is it. With this, we could easily get to any dropper program first.
And that's how Screamer built his little empire. Hello, what's this?
Scorponok tech specs. This is invaluable. Download all of it.
No problem.
Interlopers! Surrender yourselves to Emperor Starscream!
This isn't good.
Autobot, come!
All right, I think we lost him. I told you you'd be bolts without me.
Oh, there'll be bolts either way.
Program activated. Module 7.10.86, Bot Royale. Please enter challengers.
Hold my ground!
Last bot standing.
Well, team up had to end sometime.
Commence program in 3, 2, 1, fight.
Here goes nothing.
Oh no, trickster! These guys belong to Starscream! You wanna work with ground pounders so bad? Why don't you join them?
Up ahead, B! You see it?
Say no more.
Beach blasters activated.
This'll do. Whoa!
Ha! Pathetic as expected!
Time to clip your wings.
Holy Heterodyne!
I'm taking half the credit for that.
The program said last bot standing. 2 of us will have to concede. Obviously, I volunteer, but one of you 2 will need to.
Not it!
You're all very much still it, I'm afraid. Oh, time's up on your widow upgrades. Don't worry, I'll get you flying again.
Alita!
Spare parts it is.
Players eliminated. Mirage. Elita 1. 3 players remain.
2 down, 2 to go.
Come down here and fight with honor, Starscream!
How about you 2 fight, and I'll give the victor the honor of falling before your emperor?
Never going to happen!
Let's put on a performance of our own.
You know, I might install one of these arenas permanently. Well, I'll be.
You don't have to do this. We always have a choice.
Can you go 5 seconds without some patronizing speech? They've turned on each other.
Fine, if that's your choice.
Yes! Yes!
I'm sorry, B.
I did it! I did what Megatron never could! What? Oh, no!
Heads up, plain brain!
One shall stand, but 2 shall fall.
Players eliminated. Starscream. Optimus Prime. Last bot standing. Bumblebee.
I'll get you for this, Prime! No one defeats Emperor Star!
Oh yeah! Come to Bumblebee! Ha!
Thank you for helping me back there.
Program complete.
Starscream's system lockdown is still gonna be in full effect. I'm afraid our original plan is a bust. I'll stay here, maybe try again when things cool off. But for now, you're gonna need another way to get us the strength to fight Scorponok.
Well, if it's strength we need, I know a place we can start.